tracking the vehicles in Hypack and Quincy. You're on. Right. We're clear to hold position with the boat. Bridge nav. Can we hold here? Thank you.
Control winch, we are all stopped 50 meters, handing control over.
Copy. Control van has control. Don't have control? This is control. We are not tracking on control of the winch.
Try again.
Negative.
Okay, stand by. Try again.
We have control of winch.
Roger, thanks.
Your favorite watch team is back 12-4 for our last dive of NA174. My name is Matt Holden, and I am a Science Communication Fellow aboard EV Nautilus. Like I said, this is our last dive of NA174, so we're all a little sad, but we have 24-hour dive plans, so we should be able to explore and see a lot of amazing and interesting things. We are currently descending down to a depth of around 3,300 meters to explore a seamount south of Bikar, located within the National Marine Sanctuary of Bikar and Bokak in the waters of the Republic of the Marshall Islands. Again, my name is Matt Holden, Science Communication Fellow. When I am not at sea, I am a high school science teacher in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Happy to be with you all, and please send us your questions. Steve, would you mind introducing yourself?
Sure. So my name is Steve Oskovich. I'm the watch lead for the 12-4 shift. I'm also one of the biology science co-leads on this expedition, helping to guide our exploration and science objectives. When I'm not on Nautilus, I am residing at the National Museum of Natural History and the Smithsonian Institution in Washington, where I work on collections related to the deep sea, largely from the Central Pacific here, and focusing on corals and all the things that are associated with Seamount benthos.
Awesome. Super excited to have you, Steve. If you have not watched our dives before, Steve is a plethora of knowledge, and just really excited to get to sit watch with him. Mariana, would you mind introducing yourself?
Okay, everyone. I'm Mariana Poznansky, and I'm on the Science 2 seat. This is my very first cruise on board EV Nautilus, and I'm from the Marshall Islands, and I'm so grateful to be here.
We are so excited to have you on board, Mariana. So great to get your expertise as someone local to this area. Fun fact, Mariana actually has family in Fayetteville, Arkansas, where I live. So next time she visits, I'm going to give her a little tour of the city. Can't wait for that. Let's see. Leela, would you mind introducing yourself?
Of course. Hi, I am Leela Madhava. I'm the data logger for this shift. I'm originally from Chicago, but now I go to school at University of Washington, Seattle. Yeah.
Awesome. So excited to have you on board, Leela. Learn from your expertise as well. Let's see. Up in video, we've got Dan. Would you mind introducing yourself?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm Dan Kirilov. I'm the video engineer for this watch. I'm out of Seattle, Washington, and when I'm not here, I'm freelance video engineering. And I'm really excited for our last dive. And it doesn't seem like it's been such a short amount of time, but it's been great.
100% agree. It seems like just yesterday we started diving, so really sad this is our last dive, but we're going to make it the best last dive it can be. And our ROV pilots. Rye, would you mind introducing yourself?
Yeah. Am I saying anything besides my name?
You could tell us about some things you enjoy, or maybe what you do when you're not on the ship.
Okay. Yeah, my name is Rye, and I'm sitting in the co-pilot seat currently. And when I'm not on the ship, I sometimes work doing small vessel operations around Vancouver Island, where I live.
Awesome.
And I sleep a lot.
Yes, we all try to catch sleep when we can. We do 2 4-hour shifts a day, so our shift is 12 to 4 a.m. as well as 12 to 4 p.m. Up next, we've got Levi. Would you mind introducing yourself?
Yeah, my name is Levi Unema, and I'm sitting Hercules pilot, so driving Hercules. I'm from Newport, Rhode Island, and this year I've been doing a lot of house projects on an old house. So
oh, nice.
I'm glad that a lot of the projects are done.
As someone who also owns an old house, I very much feel your pain there. Feels like as soon as I finish fixing something, there's always another project
So true.
that I've got to work on.
So
right now
true.
it's the bathroom. Fingers crossed we can get that done this year. And we also have Gabby on board. Would you mind introducing yourself?
Sure thing. Aloha, I'm Gabby Espino, originally from Kailua, Hawaii. And I'm in the navigator's seat right now, and I'm also seafloor mapper for this expedition. So we first map these big seamounts, and then we're able to get the bathymetry from them in order to dive on them. And yeah, I'm a Navy veteran, and I love to just spend time with family and friends and just drink a lot of tea.
Love it. So excited to have you, and also thank you for your service. Gabby is kind of pulling double duty when she's not in the control van. Like she said, she's also helping out with mapping, which is essential to our dive process. We basically send down several beams of sound that bounce back off, kind of like echolocation, and they kind of give us a 3D overview of the seafloor, so we can really pinpoint the topography, see where there might be seamounts or valleys or ridges. That way we can decide where we like to send our ROVs.
Where?
This dive is going to be a fun one. It's the deepest yet.
Yeah.
24 hours.
I think we zoom in. Be better.
24-hour dive. I think we get 3 shifts on this one.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Although I'm assuming the last one will probably be
Mainly blue water,
pretty
probably.
much blue water, yeah.
So yeah, when we descend, it
Zoom in
normally
past it, maybe?
takes us at least an hour, if not longer, since this isn't our deepest dive. Probably
just
going to
clear
take
off
us
the
a little
craft,
longer
maybe?
than an hour.
I think it's supposed to take 3 hours.
Yeah, I thought so, yeah. So 3 hours, so our watch will end here in just about 40 minutes. So we'll have blue water for all of our watch. Then a couple more hours before we hit the bottom and start to see some really interesting things. But we might see some stuff on the way down, so fingers crossed. Heading down to 3,300 meters. And just want to give a shout out to Blake. What is my favorite sea creature? That would be an octopus. I love them. They're so cool. They're super smart. Still not convinced they're not aliens, but love them.
We're looking at approximately about 100 minutes to the seafloor
100 minutes to the seafloor.
Yeah.
Good to know.
at the current rate.
Down to, can I say this? The depth?
3320, I think.
I've got 3,300 on the dive plan, but I don't know.
The first waypoint is a little bit
Little deeper.
deeper, 3335.
So cool.
Yeah, heading down deep. So again, that's in meters. So
I think it's 5 p.m. then. That's dinner watch. That means we come back to relieve them for dinner. 5 p.m. We land on the bottom. We get some bottom time.
we get
Boom.
bottom time. Woo, woo, woo.
Totally
Danny's gonna
planned it
love
that
it.
way. Yeah.
Danny's gonna love it. He's gonna
I
come
think
in.
that means we get the most amount of sea time
Yeah,
on this.
we sure do. Right? Am I doing
Take
math
that.
right?
It's
5
all
p.m., right?
coming up 12 to 4.
It's all
Yeah,
planned out.
exactly.
Love that.
Double check my math. I think it's 5:02 ETB estimated to bottom.
I've only ever been on the 12 to 4, or once I was on the 8 to 12, which was terrible. That was
Yeah.
not my sleeping schedule.
Yeah. And
I think 4 to 8 would kill me, actually, though.
yeah, that seems like a hard one.
Oh, that's my favorite watch.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
4 to 8.
12 to 4 is my jam.
Downside of the 4 to 8 is you never see the sunrise or the sunset.
Yeah, that really
Oh,
sucks.
yeah, that's sad. Just had another couple other questions come in. One of them asked me what my favorite band is, and I'll tell you who my favorite performer is, and that's Lady Gaga. She's my queen. But I also love favorite band-wise Fleetwood Mac.
Yeah.
Anyone else want to share who their favorite musical artists are?
Levi.
Go for it, Levi.
Taylor Swift's pretty cool. Gabby says she also loves Taylor Swift.
She's releasing a new album soon. I saw
Oh.
on social media she dropped a hint about it yesterday or the day before, I think.
Yay, Levi.
Levi's so excited.
I'm like checking my Spotify. I can never remember anything.
Do any of you do that thing where you listen to one song on repeat for
Oh.
like days to weeks to months
Yes.
until every
I burn it. I wear
And
it
then
out.
never again.
Uh-huh.
I'll
Yeah.
have this song that I'm like into, but I can't play it directly on repeat. It'll be
Yeah.
like I'll listen in the morning and then I'll come back to it in the afternoon and then one more time in the evening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think my record was like 2 months straight.
Of the same song?
Yeah.
What
For
was
like
the
8 hours a
song?
day.
Wow.
It was actually Fleetwood Mac song.
Oh,
What
which
song
one?
was it?
Storms.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah.
8 hours. That's a bit much.
If I was going to pick a song to listen to 8 hours a day, I think Fleetwood Mac would definitely be high on the list.
Yeah, they're pretty great. Still haven't got to see Stevie live, but I believe she's still touring, so maybe one day. Just had another question come in about how we all got involved in working with EV Nautilus. So I'll kind of go around and let everyone talk about their stories, but first I'll tell you how I got involved. So as a science communication fellow, the opportunity is open to formal and informal educators. I actually heard about the opportunity while completing an educator fellowship with National Geographic and Lindblad expeditions in Antarctica. One of the naturalists on board actually works with Ocean Exploration Trust and told me about this opportunity, and I was fortunate enough to get this chance to become an explorer out here on EV Nautilus. Anyone else want to tell us? Maybe Leela, you want to tell us how you got involved?
Sure. So this is a little longer, but so my school has an event called, or a week called Dog Days every year at the beginning of the quarter, where every club has a bunch of events and there's a whole bunch of different things you can do. And the UW ROV Club, which I'm not in, hosted a ship to shore with Nautilus. And I saw it and I was like, oh, this looks interesting, I'll go to that. And then I was like immediately hooked. So because this was the first few weeks of my freshman year, I hadn't actually declared my major yet, but I was like, I want to apply for this internship for this year. You need to be some sort of related major. I'm going to go ahead and declare my marine biology major because I can always change it later so I can apply for this internship. And then I didn't change it later, obviously. So I didn't get in the first year. And then I did get in the second year, and then there were some technical issues, and then this is the like
The year you get to go.
culminating, experience. So yeah, that's my story.
Love it. Great story. I especially love your perseverance.
Thank you. Yeah.
Oftentimes, I know this has at least happened for me, and clearly for Leela, and probably some of our other expedition members. Sometimes you apply for things and you get rejected, but you never fail until you quit. So
Yep.
I think keep on applying for those of you out there listening that are wanting to be ocean explorers or really just wanting to do anything related to the STEM fields. Please don't give up. Keep trying. You never know what will happen. Follow your passion.
Yeah, pretty much my frame of mind was you need to be a student to apply for Nautilus, but they let you do it, I think, a year or two outside of school. So I was like, all right, I have 5 to 6 years.
You got it.
If I keep applying every single year, at some point they will have to accept me.
Yeah, the odds will be in your favor.
Yeah, so
Love
I didn't
it.
have to wait quite that long. But
That's awesome. And I'm glad that you didn't switch your degree back away from biology and marine biology either. It's just too fun.
it's too fun. And I was pretty sure that was the track I wanted to be on. Like, I was going to hang out a little longer before declaring, but I was like, whatever. Might as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
love it. Mariana, would you mind telling us a little bit about how you got involved with EV Nautilus?
Yes, I got, I was working as an intern at MIMRA, and that's how I not first heard about EV Nautilus, because I first heard about it and kind of got into it, like really interested when I was in school at Hilo. But then I didn't pursue it. I don't know why, but so as soon as they mentioned, like, are you interested in joining the expedition at MIMRA? I said, well, yeah. It's
Of
like a
course.
dream come true.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's how I got involved with EV Nautilus.
That's awesome. So excited. You said NIMRA. Would you mind telling us what that stands for?
It stands for Marshall Islands Marine Resources Authority here in the
Awesome.
Marshall Islands.
So kind of the
And,
organization
yeah.
that helps to manage and protect these amazing marine
Yeah.
resources. Love it. Dan, you're up. Would you mind telling us how you got involved with EV Nautilus?
Sure, yeah. I got sort of told about it by two people that have been on here before, Jaina Galvis, I hope I didn't butcher your name, Jaina, and Derek Hay, who engineered on here before as well. And that was maybe a little over a year ago, and I started watching, and just same thing, kind of got hooked. And then both of them were nice enough to send an introductory email to Ed McNichols, who's the video patron saint on here, and then did an interview, and it's all the stars aligned kind of thing, and now I get to come here, which, yeah, it's not a long-lived dream, but it's a dream come true.
100%. Definitely a dream come true to be out here exploring. I know growing up, watching kind of those explorer movies and things like Indiana Jones and stuff like that, always been a dream of mine to be an explorer as well. So lifelong fulfillment there. Rye, would you mind telling us how you got involved with EV Nautilus?
Yeah, so a couple years ago was the first time I came out with Nautilus, but that was, I came out here with my last company that I worked for, which was called Ocean Networks Canada, which is a Canadian oceanographic company, and I came out here on their team, and at the time I was kind of not sure if I wanted to stay in this industry. I was struggling to work in the kind of office 9-to-5 structure, and was like, there's got to be something else.
Something better out there.
And on that cruise, I got talking to one of the ROV guys, and I was like, man, I really wish I went to school for this. Like I didn't go to school for this. I wish I had. I wish I'd known that ROV kind of existed. And he laughed at me and was like, you don't have to go to school specifically for this. You can just do it. And so after that, yeah, I got talking to some more people on this team and did a one-off contract, came out and flew as co-pilot, and then shortly after that, started talking to the person who leads this ROV team, Josh Chernoff, and he just coincidentally happened to be looking for someone, and it all kind of right time, right place, luck.
Yeah, meant to be.
And now this is pretty much all I do, so it's pretty neat.
Love it. What an amazing journey.
Yeah.
So when you first started, did you get some like kind of on-the-job training to help you become the amazing pilot that you are today?
Yeah, so my first dive, I had no prior training. I was just sat in the seat on the dive and kind of told how to fly Atalanta. So that was the on-the-job training, was
nice.
Very much on the job. I prefer to learn that way though, so
yeah, I do too.
It doesn't work for everybody, but it works for me.
I'm definitely one of those learners too.
Yeah.
Kind of put me hands-on, put me in the target seat, so to speak,
Yeah.
and it seems to work best, at least for me.
Yeah, definitely only so much you can like pre-prepare people for actually flying the vehicles.
I agree. I think it's probably that way with many of the roles that we have on this ship.
Yeah.
Awesome. And Levi, would you mind telling us how you got involved
Absolutely.
with EV Nautilus?
Yeah, so it started with my high school science teacher, actually. He was on the board of a nonprofit, and they needed an electrical engineer. And so I was electrical engineering in Michigan, doing production automotive car mirrors stuff, totally unrelated. And I've always been interested in remote control stuff, like as a child, remote control cars and all that. And yeah, I interviewed and then started working for a nonprofit doing ROVs on the NOAA ship Okeanos Explorer. And then so started as just like a lowly ROV person, turning wrenches and learning about ROVs. And then sat a few years as nav, and then sat a few years as co-pilot, and then pilot. So that
Awesome.
started in 2016, and then this is now my first time flying for this group. Josh Chernoff needed a pilot, so yeah, it's really fun meeting new people and learning new skills, and yeah,
Yeah,
it's been really fun.
amazing. Yeah, again, another, success story about you don't always have to know what you want to do right away. Sometimes you just kind of follow that passion and you end up where you want to be. What about Gabby? Could you tell us how you got involved? Can't hear you.
Hi. Yeah, it was just a little different. I was in the Navy and transitioning out. I was a naval aviator, and my passion has always been the ocean, and I want to give back to the ocean and teach and all that. And so I got my master's in oceanography at the University of Rhode Island as I was transitioning out of the military. And in a random Zoom call that they had for grad students from GSO there, Bob Ballard was on it.
Wow.
And I was like, well, it was just shocking. You go on a small little Zoom call for your group, and there he was, but he just was promoting the Nautilus and what they did, and it just sounded amazing. And it was actually very helpful because my resume was everything to do with aviation, and I needed more ocean things on my resume to be an oceanographer.
Yeah.
And I got an internship with the Nautilus, and from there I really enjoyed it, and I put in my resume to be a contractor, and so now I'm a contractor as a seafloor mapper and navigator on board.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Amazing. Congratulations on your recent graduation as well.
Thank you. Yeah, I just came out right to sea right after I graduated.
Yeah, gonna need some rest after this, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Last but certainly not least, our watch lead, Steve, would you mind telling us a little bit about how you got involved?
Sure. It was probably about 12 years ago now. I was among the first applicants to the first ever Nautilus Ocean Science Internship Program class.
Oh, gee.
Yeah. I mean, there were other interns on the ship in previous years, but it had not been a competitive program, so this was the first competitive round. And I was able to come out as an intern on NA174 or
wow.
NA032. I have to remember now. It's in my bio. What would I do without?
Gotta Google myself real quick. Hold on.
Yeah. But I had just started a master's program in marine biology. I had a background in marine sciences, various different types of oceanography, physical oceanography, physical, chemical, biological oceanography for my undergrad. And
cool.
I applied for the internship, and I had a chance to come out for 2 weeks, just a 2-week cruise.
Yeah.
It almost seems quaint.
Yeah.
After 4 weeks.
That's really cool.
And yeah, ever since then, Nautilus and OET started ramping up the program for science and science managers, and I was among the folks who got to assist with creating that role, basically, in the first few formative years.
Really cool. You've been on board since the very start, which is just incredible. And how many dives have you done now, or how many expeditions?
That's tough, yeah. NA033 was my first cruise, technically. Yeah.
Close to 20 expeditions thus far, you think?
24.
24, yeah. Wow.
Only on this ship, but I was doing some calculations the other day, and it's probably not nearly as much as most other people who are associated with this ship, but over the past 10 years, I've almost spent 2 whole calendar years at sea on various ships.
Wow.
That's
20% of my life in the past 10 years.
Yeah, that's incredible. Yeah, I'm sure you've got to see some absolutely amazing things.
Yeah, yeah, there's some great cruises.
Very cool. So yeah, that is our current watch team. Again, kind of loving this theme here about, following your passions, never giving up, especially in the face of rejection or failure. Had a really great quote come in just a little bit ago. Failure is success in progress. Really love that quote. I think it's attributed to Albert Einstein.
Oh, there's a photo album from my first cruise
Oh my
on
gosh.
nautiluslive.org.
Pull that up, I gotta see.
Oof.
Where are you?
I don't know if I'm in any of these photos.
We gotta see little baby Steve.
This was the first cruise was actually a transit, so there was no ROV ops. But I'm sure I have some photos somewhere.
That's cool.
Shop looks pretty much the same.
Not as much 3D printed stuff in there. Yeah, we actually have a 3D printer on board, so we can 3D print different parts and things like that as we need them while we're at sea.
Yeah.
Very cool. So again, if you're just joining us, we are right about 900 meters below the surface, heading down to a little over 3,300 meters on our deepest dive of Expedition NA174. Some of our specific objectives for this dive will be to collect biological and geological samples. So we collect biological samples to learn a little bit more about possible range extensions of different species, and then even find new species, which we often do. We collect geological samples so that we can, again, analyze those for a little bit more information about the history of the geophysical processes of Earth that help to create these environments, and learn a little bit more about the history of life on Earth. We will also be collecting eDNA, or environmental DNA samples, using two different methods, our Niskin bottles, as well as the new large volume Multipuffer eDNA sampler. And I believe Annette said yesterday that we have collected on this expedition over 1.6 million liters. Was that correct? I think that's what she said. I don't quote me on that. I'll get clarification from Annette. But basically, it's able to filter water in situ so that we can basically get a better idea completely throughout the water column, from the very top to the very deepest parts we go, of what might be living in these areas.
This will be an interesting test case for eDNA because it's rare to get eDNA samples from below 3,000 meters. Usually you have to use specialized oceanographic equipment like a C2D rosette, or sometimes we go down, I would say minority of dives, we actually dive down below 3,000 meters when we're exploring seamounts. The fauna can be quite sparse in places, but if you dive in the right spot, sometimes it can surprise you. So because we're diving so deep, eDNA concentrations are typically pretty poor, so the more water you can sample, the more chance you have at finding your animal target thing of interest.
That's really cool. It'll be interesting to kind of compare those two methodologies, especially with this super deep dive. See if they are able to determine the same things get the same results from their eDNA samples.
Yeah. Typically, we might in a typical maybe 2-liter sample of water, if we were to filter 2 liters of water from 2,000 meters or 3,000 meters,
Right.
we might only end up with 100 nanograms of DNA. So very small quantities.
Yeah, super tiny. Yeah, will be really interesting to see if we're able to collect more eDNA with those large volume multipuffer samples. I believe this is only the second time it's been used on this ship. Always a favorite question coming in. What is the favorite thing you have seen or found on a dive? I'll go first. For me, and maybe some other people on our watch, definitely was the chimera or a ghost shark that we saw a few dives ago. It was super interesting. I think Levi was the first to spot it, looking on Atalanta's view down at Hercules, and the chimera almost looked like it was stalking Hercules coming up from behind, but it was just a really amazing sight to see.
Has it been posted on the socials and stuff yet?
I don't believe that it's been posted on the official Nautilus socials. I'm sure that when we make our part of the job as a science communication fellow is to help make those photo galleries and photo albums, and that will definitely be making it in there. Speaking to Leela, what was your favorite?
It's also the chimera.
I figured, yeah.
I think the question would be, was anyone's not the chimera?
Yeah, was anyone's not the chimera? Anyone that's been on previous dives?
Or anyone has additional...
Or yeah, additional great things. I can think of one I think Rye might also have liked as well.
Swimming crinoid?
Yeah.
I did see a Dumbo octopus on one dive.
What?
Awesome.
That's incredible. Was it kind of the yellowish one?
It was like the pinky one.
Oh, how cool.
The really dense, really big coral gardens we've been seeing have just been so incredible.
Yeah, they have.
It looks like another world.
Yeah, if you've been watching our previous dives from this expedition, we have been incredibly lucky in some ways that we've got to, really land on the right spots and get to see some incredible abundance and diversity of corals and sponges and all sorts of other invertebrates.
Did also see dolphins on the ascent once. That was
wow.
cool.
Sick. Ooh, yeah, we saw
sharks. We saw sharks.
Oceanic
yesterday
white-tip.
we had
That was really cool.
Today might be the best and last chance for a Dumbo octopus. Just telling you, we're in the dust.
Do they normally live further deep?
They're a little bit deeper than we've been looking, yeah.
Oh, that's my one thing that I want is an octopus. Really hope we get it.
Fingers crossed.
I know, fingers crossed. It is my favorite sea creature. And one of our video interns, Kelsey, actually designed me a tattoo that I plan on getting of an octopus.
Did
she did. I'll have to show it to you. I'm super excited
I'd love
about
to see
it.
Just, I guess, for something new, for things we've found, the phosphorescent rock that we cut open, that was amazing.
That was super cool. So on a previous dive of this expedition, we have our geologist, Val, on board, and she cuts open the rocks with a rock saw once we bring them up to the surface. Actually, many of us have had the chance to get to help out with that, which is really cool. If you ever have the opportunity to use a rock saw, I highly recommend. But one of the rocks that we cut open basically glows. So when you shine UV light on it and then you pull the UV light away, it keeps that kind of glowing phosphorescence, which is really, really cool. Steve, since you've been on so many dives, anything of note that was super interesting or that you really enjoyed seeing?
Yeah, I have a favorite dive, actually.
Awesome.
So H1762 was in Jarvis Island on NA110.
Uh-huh.
And I think 1761 and 1762 both just stick in my memory as really spectacular biology dives.
Yeah.
On the island, Jarvis Island. So I just they were so they're on the same island, but they're so different from one another. One dive was almost a vertical, 85, 90 degree slope, and another dive was a really nice gentle slope. And you really got to see a lot of biological transition along those two dives, and differences in biological communities still much struggle to understand what's causing the biology to structure in that way.
Yeah, that's really interesting, getting to see all the different communities and kind of come up with some theories about what might cause those differences. Love it. Anyone else have any other really interesting things that they saw that they want to share? Well, again, for those of you watching, if you're interested in seeing some of our previous dives and some of the amazing organisms that we've been able to see, you can check out our gallery. We have lots of really cool videos and pictures, as well as descriptions of all of the amazing things we've seen through our explorations. Just had a question come in, Steve. Do you happen to know the depth range for chaunacops, or where they might be found?
I'd say probably between 500 and 2,500 meters, broadly.
Okay. May not see one.
There is a great website, though, called FishBase.
FishBase.
Look at FishBase, and you can type in any genus name, and it'll tell you more than you need to know about any fish.
Very cool. So for any of our aspiring marine biologists out there, check out FishBase. Learn more about these amazing sea creatures.
Did a question come in, Matt, or are you just doing your own information gathering?
No, it actually came in.
Whatever you say.
I promise it did. Even though I do want to see a chaunacops, but I don't think it's may not be in the cards for this dive. But the octopus, Dumbo octopus, I'm holding out for that one.
Me too. I'd love to see one.
Yeah. Is that Bella?
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Hey.
So glad to see
What crew is this?
This is
12
to 4.
12 to 4.
Yeah.
Hey, 12 to 4 people. And the month is August, and the year is 2025. If I didn't know that, that would be actually comedic. To be honest, I was like, I thought you were joking with me anyway. I was like, that doesn't even sound right.
Yeah. But we can't tell you the day. We never know the day unless it's Sunday.
I know the day because I just wrote it down 15 times. I don't know the day of the week, but I
don't know what
the
the day of the week is. I really don't.
I have no idea.
Day of the week,
Tuesday.
I could not tell you. I think
or Thursday.
Yesterday, Levi said ice cream was in 3 days. Maybe.
Oh, okay. So ice cream's on Sunday.
Also, one was yesterday.
I can't do mental math, so that's just meaningless.
Because it was after midnight. So.
Oh, no.
So I carry the 1, add the 3, and I still don't know what day it is. I think I got an imaginary number, actually, but I don't know. I got a fraction. Is that wrong?
Depends what side of the date line you're on.
Right, yeah. Yeah, so we are just about to switch out our 12 to 4 watch to our 4 to 8 watch, but don't worry, you'll get to see us again. We will be back in 8
This
hours.
is the one I'm
We'll
familiar with.
be back.
This is our vehicle.
Uh-huh.
And then this is the
That
one
was
that
close.
he just
It was
said.
1250 to
fish
2000.
base.
This is our view?
Oh, nice.
I don't think so.
That's a
Yeah,
SD2.
Tonicops,
Oh.
1250 to 2,000
That's what I
meter
was
range.
used to flying.
But there are other species, so
But yeah,
That's
other
just the
similar
common one we see.
species.
Delta's 1. Give it a little more juice here. Oh, the branches get, yeah, C as in Nidarian. That'll be a C as in Tinaphore. Like, why? Okay, who put the C's in front of all these? I'm looking at the benthic animal guide.
I
Yeah.
don't know.
You got beef with the benthic
Oh, you
animal
found-
guide?
I sympathize with science and like spelling all the
Hey,
names of all
you
of these
tried hard.
guys.
It's so hard. I'm always asking Steve to put it in the data log. I'm like, I can't spell that.
The other day I tried to look up crinoid and I was like, you know what? I'm sure it's a Y. 'cause
I
that's
thought
what
it was too.
I also
And then
thought
I
it
was like,
was a
oh,
Y.
and I really, really.
I know. I was doing the dive report today, which not only means I have to guess what the, like, there'll be something that's spelled, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and I'll Google it and nothing will come up. So I'll have to try and go from the written word to what was possibly said out loud to what the
Oh.
actual
Yeah, I'm
spelling was.
sympathizing
You know
with
what's
you.
a
Because it
great-
was one of the other interns who
I-
wrote
I
it.
A great
sympathize.
resource is actually the database called WORMS, the World Register of Marine Species, because you can start typing and it'll suggest.
You
Yes.
have all the best links.
Close
Okay,
to
so it's fish database,
Fish base.
fish base, duh, fish
And
base.
then worms,
Worms, like a worm.
like a earthworm.
This is awesome.
Yeah, he showed it to me a couple dives ago, and I've been using it a lot.
I found the benthic guide, the NOAA benthic guide, and I was like, oh,
Uh-huh.
this is cool.
He did tell me we saw some isopods the other day, and Steve did spell that out for me, and I was like, I actually know that
Bella,
one.
it's the World Registry of Marine Species.
World
Or world-
I
what
don't
is
wanna
it? What
spell
is
in
it?
front of everybody anymore.
Right?
I'm not having fun. Just
But
close
I
it.
think if you Google worms, you won't
I
get
was
anything
thinking
helpful.
worms.net, and then I was like, it's so
I think if you Google worms, you're just going to get some worms.
I thought about that.
All right, 12 to 4 is switching off. We'll be back in 8 hours. See you then.
Bye.
Hearing you loud and clear.
Video.
Hearing you loud and clear video.
Yay.
Pilot mic check. 1, 2.
Gotcha.
Check, 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 check.
He's always so quiet. He's got good hearing.
Not me.
Who's quiet?
Oh, no, I'm just commenting he always has the volume so low when I take over.
Oh.
And I'm like, I can't hear. I'm deaf.
It's okay, Grandpa.
Oh.
No, you guys missed it. We were literally just talking about your blanket and your chair. What do you mean? You're looking at me like we were just having minute-long conversation.
Yeah, but I wasn't talking on SPL.
Just kidding.
Oh, no.
Take it back, Bella.
I'm maybe.
Bella didn't mean it.
That's crazy.
Bella didn't mean
So
it.
harsh.
So hard.
This is how we're starting off, huh?
No, let's restart. Refreshing.
How we are going to start is, can I get some winch TV up in here?
Winch TV.
Oh,
Good
sorry.
start.
Yes, let's get that going. I
First
should have
things
known.
first.
I'm so sorry.
Look at that bag.
First
Wow.
things first.
Yeah.
There it is.
It looks good.
There's the winch.
Love me some winch.
Brings a tear to your eye.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
Something like that, for sure.
This is going to be a good one today. Oh, yeah.
I think everyone slept a little extra last night, so...
A lot extra for me, I would say.
Not for me, but for everyone else.
Everyone else, I walked up to the galley earlier after my nap, and I was not awake yet. And the volume level felt like I was in like a second grade classroom. I was just like, oh my god, that was way too much energy.
Second grade classroom.
Oh my gosh.
That's a good way to put it, honestly.
Like,
All right.
What is it? 1, 2, eyes on you. I don't know. Whatever that teacher quote is.
We don't have a teacher in here right now.
I don't know.
Good afternoon, everyone listening in. Welcome to nautiluslive.org.
Sorry. I'll mute myself.
We're starting off spicy today, apparently. Welcome. Thanks for joining us live as we are making, the ROVs are making their way down to explore a seamount in the National Marine Sanctuary of Bikar and Bokak. This is going to be our deepest dive. I think that our max depth is going to be, what, like just over 3,000 meters?
3,300.
3,300 meters. So
right.
Deepest dive, and it's sadly our last dive of this expedition. So again, as always, really, really excited to be here with all of you as we're exploring. We do have our chat open if you want to send in questions or comments. Yeah, we'll be here for the next 4 hours.
The good news is that the expected dive duration is 24 hours.
Yes. I said that right?
Oh, you did?
Did
I'm
I?
so sorry.
I don't know.
You probably did.
I don't know.
What's our target depth? 3,300?
3,300. 3,300, 24 hours last dive. Yeah, so this is not the last time you'll see us. We'll be here for 4 hours, and then we'll be here for 4 hours again in 8 hours.
Woohoo.
Woohoo. So yes, this is now the 4 to 8 crew. Blue water. We're doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Winch TV.
Coming at
is
you.
going.
Winch TV,
Winch
so good.
TV.
Look at that. Look at those.
We're onto the brown layer, you know?
Wait, is there a different?
No.
Okay, I was gonna say. I was
Just
like,
remember that, didn't you want that?
I did.
You wanted color? Yeah, we got the brown layer right now.
Mike.
You're still waiting for your
Michael.
Oh, full name.
Lord.
We've reached a new level of comfort.
You're surprised you didn't see me literally running out the door right there.
I did see you in the winch room a second ago, and I was like, oh, look at Mike on the winch.
I got more hidey holes around here.
Hidey holes. I love it. By the way, Mike, there was a joke that somebody put in the chat yesterday, and it wasn't the time, but now is certainly the time. Okay, so let me see if I can remember it.
I'm so excited.
Okay. If the sea is really rough and Mike is walking around and then he falls down. Is that a mic drop?
Oh my gosh.
That is,
I will take that. That is good. Mic drop.
That is awesome.
That's great.
Oh man! Every now and then.
Every now and then.
Every now and then, the sea just likes to come up underfoot and didn't really realize it. Oh.
I'm amazed there has not been a Britney drop yet.
Oh.
Usually the quarters are so tight, you just kind of act like a ping pong. Like if you go down the hallway, it's like ping, 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 ping.
And the rough stuff, you learn to walk almost sideways on the wall.
It's like a fun house.
Oh my god. Mic drop, I gotta remember that one.
I hope whoever sent that is watching this time around so that you can get the satisfaction that Mike loved your joke. Sorry I wasn't able to say it yesterday.
Speaking of jokes, I got a decent one. I got one that I really enjoy. So some of you might have heard this already. What is a pirate's favorite letter?
R.
X.
C.
Oh, you think it'd be R, but it's actually the C.
Oh yeah, that one.
Never said my jokes were good, but they make me laugh, so
That's all that matters.
They're good. They're not bad.
We won't get into all of them. Save those for later.
You had to space them out.
He's got Hayden. Got Hayden over there just chuckling away.
I've always wanted to try and get like, I've tried it here and it hasn't worked, but I've always wanted to try and get I've heard the office is possessed by, somebody's in the office is possessed by an owl, and then they say who. I've never had it work, and I've always tried. one of these days.
You could do the knock knock, who's there? Or like, I don't know, never mind.
You came up so fast.
Oh, so good.
Wait, I remembered it. Knock knock, who's there? An owl. What is it? Owl who? Owl you?
Oh, I see the energy has definitely carried into the control van today.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Pilot
afternoon,
speaking.
Nautilus.
We are headed to 3,300 meters, and we are going at approximately 30 meters a minute down.
Oh boy.
Ooh, we're flying.
That's pretty
We should
speedy.
be reaching bottom in about 53, 54 minutes.
Nice.
That is not as much as I thought. I thought it was going to be like 2 hours.
Oh, we're moving.
We're zooming.
We're
Zooming.
going down.
Mm-hmm.
It's going down
That's
for real. Going down for real.
Whoa.
I did just hear that while we are in the Marshalls, our onshore interactions are full. We have 40. Was it 40 people?
Yeah, 40 people.
40 people signed up to come and check out the ship.
Wow, I love that.
Wait, I haven't heard anything about this.
This
Really?
This is late breaking news.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So
Wait,
we're
this
going to
is
be
pulling
doing
it.
tours from 1 to 2:30.
Oh.
That's awesome.
On what day?
And it's already booked 1 to 2:30 p.m. on Sunday.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
So I'll be in the pub.
That's crazy.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Knocking.
Oh my gosh, I'm really excited for that. That sounds great.
It's going to be fun.
It's a lot of people.
40 is a big number.
At once or
Oh, no, not at once. It's
Oh, okay.
Oh,
It should be separate people at a
Okay.
time. Yeah.
I was going to say, that's almost like everyone on the ship.
Yeah, it would be too crowded.
That's awesome.
Someone would fall off, that's for sure.
Oh my.
What? We're going to be docked. Where
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't stop anything.
Oh gosh.
I don't know, most of the time you fall in the water on a boat, you're usually at the dock anyway, so.
Yeah. Definitely not the place to fall off, though. It's not too friendly out there. there at the Dalab dock.
What's there?
Just blue water. You don't want to know what could come up.
Oh,
yeah.
Mermaid? Maybe that's where we're going to see
So
the
what you're
Meg
saying
at
is-
the
Right?
harbor.
The harbor.
Megalodons there.
We're gonna see.
And we're getting in the water.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
That'd be a good way to go.
I'm gonna see it from my porthole as I'm sleeping. I'm gonna be like, oh my.
We're gonna be
Just
parked
take a
right
chunk
next
out
right next to the Marshall Islands Marine Resources Authority, so they might have us tour the office. That's where Mariana works, and it's pretty neat. It's pretty neat over there.
Oh, that's going to be awesome to see.
That is awesome.
They got like.
Are there any museums in Madro?
Yep. I'll be showing the museum out to Kelsey, so if you want to join us, you're more than welcome to.
I want to come.
Come hang at the
Whoever's
museum.
down. Whoever's down,
for
come
that.
through.
I'm on a hunt for granddad pictures.
I'd be down to join for that.
We'll ask around for some archive pictures.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Yeah, at the at the office over there at Mimra, they have like a canoe hanging from the ceiling. It's pretty sick.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I can't wait for all of it. I can't wait to see your home. It seems amazing.
I'm excited to have you guys over there.
We've been hearing about a lot about it from you. Like it all sounds amazing.
Yay.
It's gonna be fun yet sad because you guys will be leaving shortly after that. I don't even want to think about.
I
don't even
know.
want to think about that.
I'm in denial about it.
I'm in denial that this is the last dive.
Oh man.
I know.
Also
At least
in
we have
denial.
2 shifts to do.
I know.
That helps.
Yeah.
Yeah. And on a good note. And
I'm
it's
not
a
ready,
deep
guys.
one too, so it's
Yeah,
like
so that's cool.
not much is known, you know. A lot of mystery makes it really interesting.
And we're back in the sanctuary, so we should be seeing a lot of stuff hopefully.
Should be great.
Should be a good one. The energy's here.
Nice.
All right, what's the bet today?
Ooh.
Megalodon.
I feel like we should vote for other things other than corals and sponges, because
I think it should be the first fish.
First fish.
Like first fish we'll see.
Okay.
I'm for sure going halosaur for no reason other than they're super cool.
Hold up. Let me write this down. What did you say, Kelsey?
A halosaur.
Halosaur.
I feel like we're gonna see some eels.
I'm saying a rat tail.
Ooh.
Rat tail. Anybody else got any guesses?
The
I'm put-
pilots are busy right now, so they'll get you in a minute.
Yeah.
Does it have to be fish, or it could be any?
We're gonna start it out with the fish.
What was the name for that anglerfish? That type of anglerfish we saw the other day. The one
Chonacobs?
with the. Is that it?
It
The one with
wasn't-
the red boots?
It wasn't a
The
Chonacobs.
pink one?
Yeah,
The
the one with the
batfish?
red boots.
Similar.
Bat
Yeah,
pancake?
it was batfish or pancake, whatever.
There, I'll go with
that
that
one. Okay.
I'm going Chonacobs. I probably butchered that name.
Hopefully some slickhead.
That one.
That
That one
slickhead was really
Like,
beautiful.
yeah, I loved it.
I loved it too. I got a good picture of that one.
So cool. Did everybody see Bella Bean sending off of our ROV today? She was on deck.
Same with Brittany.
Same with,
Oh no.
no, Brittany was inside with me.
You're right. It was Merake, Giselle.
You,
Noelle.
Yep.
I got my team confused. I'm sorry, folks.
It's all right.
And Lynette. But it's my first time on deck. And
Heck yeah.
I got very warm.
It's so hot. Yeah.
It does get hot on deck.
I had to take a shower immediately after I was on deck when the ROV came back.
Same. I had to go.
It was steamy.
I think I like deck ops.
I'm so glad to hear you say that.
Has anybody operated the crane before, out of curiosity? Anybody done any of the fun stuff on the deck yet?
The crane feels like the lever.
I think just
pull the
Mike.
lever.
You got to pull the lever?
Yeah. Pull the lever.
The release?
Yeah. Release.
I feel like the crane is so much liability. I'm a little afraid of it.
It does give me a fright.
I would love to do the crane someday.
Really? I feel like
Yeah.
I feel like you would slip.
Oh, you would.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Thank you.
I feel like you could just be like,
Yep. Just like that.
For sure.
just like that. You can make your own sound effects. You know.
I for sure would.
Yeah, Drew was going over everything, and I was just meowing in response. I was like, it's gonna be like
what?
It's just like my
Meow
ad lib.
over. That's awesome.
Bella, you should have seen me struggling with I was wearing Noel's shoes.
What shoes?
Noel's safety shoes.
Oh yeah. Why were you struggling?
Because I didn't have my toes were like this the whole time.
Oh, not the toesies.
Right.
Not the toesies.
And then she had my slippers on. She's like, dude, I don't know how you're like surviving on this boat because I have like
You're like, I
zero
don't wear
grip.
closed-toed shoes.
Right.
I've never seen you in closed-toed shoes.
Yeah, how you didn't have a Keone drop. It's pretty
With
miraculous.
zero grip.
Yeah, I mean your sandals are
I have
like
zero grip under these sandals.
Yeah. First of all, they're sandals. Second of all, zero grip.
Second of all, zero grip.
And those are the local ones, man. Like everyone has those.
Oh yeah, J slips. Can't go wrong with these.
Slips.
Jesus slippers.
Oh, I was wondering what the J stood for.
People in the chat are hoping to see Chanacops as well. They're also hoping to see something never seen before by science. That would be so exciting.
Oh yeah.
Something
You know,
brand new.
I don't know. It's not the way you talked about it, Fanny. It seems like this is kind of that.
Yeah, I mean, abyssal environment, especially on seamounts, very poorly explored worldwide as a whole. So few people go at abyssal depth when it comes to seamount exploration. So likelihood to find something new, I would say, is pretty high.
That's
How
awesome.
exciting.
My fingers are crossed.
Putting the money on the last dive. That's,
Oh, yeah.
That's so cool.
Oh, yeah.
That's so cool. That AC is starting to kick in.
Can I be honest? I'm really
Please do.
enjoying myself.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that.
The AC, I'm liking it.
Oh, the AC specifically.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
I liked that also as a Broadway. You're in short sleeve over there. You don't even need your layer.
I am wearing short sleeves, and I also have my vest, so I'm all right.
Hayden and I are both wearing short shorts and slippers.
And a beanie.
And
Oh
a
my
beanie.
My goodness. I actually really do like blue water, though. I like,
yeah.
I feel like we catch a lot of jellies or just things of that nature.
There was. Did you see the video of the shark?
The white tip?
Yes. Yeah, the oceanic white tip at
I
the
was
end of
watching
blue
it from
water
the-
yesterday.
Yeah, I was watching it from the data lab, and I was just like, oh my
I
goodness.
totally missed it.
Oh my gosh,
It would have been so cool to
gorgeous.
see that.
The white tips were really like, you know.
And it stayed in the frame for a while.
Mhm.
And yeah, like a group of fish with it.
I was curious about the group of fish, if there's like a mutual benefit for both of them being around each other, like why the fish like to kind
Be
of
around big sharks.
Isn't it like
If
isn't it a cleaning thing?
I don't know if these are cleaning fishes.
Yeah, they weren't
I
cleaning
didn't know if like,
fishes.
yeah, we could like identify the species of those fish, but I
That's
didn't know
fair.
if the shark was, if they were together on purpose, or if the shark was after the fish, or.
It didn't seem the shark, it seemed like they were just swimming together.
Yeah, they were swimming like with the shark.
Oh, I'm
right?
wondering,
That's what it
you
looked
know,
like to me.
is a
Which
shark
is-
like
yeah, that
a
is
messy
odd.
eater? Then you can get the scraps.
Maybe.
Mm.
I don't know.
That's a good idea.
It's like you're a marine biologist or something.
Yeah, sounds like it. Something like it.
It's like you're one of those. Someone's wondering how many more dives are left on this expedition.
Don't remind us.
Hate to break it to you, this is the last dive. Good news is it's just barely starting.
And we have
Also
24
good
hours.
news is it's a 24-hour dive. So you got 24-ish, 23-ish hours left with us on NA174. But bad news is it's the last dive.
No.
Hey, man.
We had a great run.
I see
We've
a
seen
lot
a lot
of
of cool
opportunity.
I agree with
yeah,
that.
absolutely.
Did anybody have any favorites?
Everything.
The firework coral from the first dive.
Ooh.
They posted it on the Instagram page the other day. That was just so pretty.
Everybody go check out the Instagram page.
Go check
See
that out.
Kelsey's awesome videography.
Oh my god. I mean, that was teamwork.
And lots of great commentary from the science row.
Very great commentary.
You can hear my little wows sometimes.
I cannot move that camera.
My navigating wows.
Yeah.
Those are the best wows.
Yeah,
That was pretty good.
One of my favorites was, is it normal? That was a good one.
Where is that?
I guess I would say one of my favorite highlights would be the fashionable sponges.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the fashion show.
The fashion show.
The maximalists,
Oh,
the
yeah.
trends.
The
That was super,
trendsetters.
super fun.
Trendy sponges.
What's mine?
Well, mine I would say is when we found that rock with all the corals and we were not
Like
expecting
immediately?
it with
Yeah.
the wall with all the corals and
Oh,
and it
that
was
was
like
gorgeous.
first thing we're gonna see is a sea cucumber. Clearly, I
Nope.
was not expecting that.
And then we descent into a crevasse like it was nothing.
It was really cool.
Yeah.
That was
That was
amazing.
pretty.
I
Definitely
really
a
liked.
highlight.
Oh man, I'm remembering batfish with the front of the pancake.
Snakehead.
The
Oh, the
The
pancake.
pancake.
Yeah.
The pancake. The little red.
With the boots.
With the yes, you read my
Boots.
mind.
Yeah, of
Boots.
course.
I also really can't get over like B coral and S lobster associates at law. Like I really, that sticks in my head and I giggle about it once a day.
That was a good one.
I have a really nice picture of that last squat lobster that we saw. The pretty big one. I'm gonna have to show you guys.
Was
It's
that
pretty
when I
sweet.
was in the middle of my interaction?
I
I think
think
I missed
so.
it.
I think so.
What was?
Remember you filmed me with your
Yeah,
phone, right?
yeah.
Yes.
You have to show
I
me later.
had to get it. It
Yeah.
was
You'll show me
worth,
later.
worth a
Awesome.
see.
Okay, so people are wondering in the chat. Yeah, so we did mention that this is going to be a 24-hour dive, and we are not going to be sitting here for 24 hours. We actually do have shifts, watch shifts. So this is currently the 4 to 8. I always do that. This is currently the 4 to 8 crew, and then at 8 o'clock there's going to be a different watch coming in, and they're going to take over from 8 to 12, and then 12 to 4, and so on and so forth. And so we each take 4 hours in the control van.
How long have you been on this watch?
Sorry, Danny. I know. I'm
that
just
coffee?
Yes, it is.
I'm notoriously bad at I'm like, oh yeah, 8 to 12, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I am on the 4 to 8 crew.
But you know what? You've always shown up to your shift on time, so there's no
That's
worry.
all that matters.
That's all that matters.
Punctual.
I'm not gonna lie. This morning when I woke up and I looked at the clock and I was like, oh, I'm late for my shift. And then I realized, oh wait, I got up at 3. Saw that
3?
we were not diving, and then went back to sleep.
Oh, nice.
Same.
I woke up at towards our shift, and I was like, the boat's still moving, and I leaped out of bed, and I was like, gotta get going. What's going on?
Gotta
and then
get
I was like, gotta get, and then realized, oh shucks, we're just gonna go straight to this dive site.
I
Yeah.
came all the way up here and did a little bit of work and then was like, why is no one else here?
Oddly a quiet boat for a launch moment.
Yeah, awfully early I seem to be this morning. Only by 12 hours.
Yeah, nice and easy 12.
Yeah.
Super chill. It's okay. I read my book. I finished my book. I saw the stars.
Nice. What would you give it out of 5 stars?
Ooh, I think 4. I think I gave it a solid 4.
Heart of Darkness?
In the heart of the sea, but very
In the heart-
close. There was heart. Yeah. So I had a nice little morning to myself.
Yes, yes.
Hey, Mike, we got a winch question.
Ooh, winch TV.
I might have some winch answers.
All right. There is a person who wants to know what horsepower motor drives the winch.
That's very specific.
What horsepower motor? So, we have 3 pumps that actually drive 3 separate portions of the winch. So we actually replaced 2 of those pumps at the beginning of this cruise. So we have the main pump that drives the traction winch, which is a closed loop system. And then we have another closed loop system that drives the storage winch. And then we have an open loop system that drives the level wind as well as the A-frame for the ship as well. So.
Yeah, but what horsepower is the motor driving the pumps?
Yeah, the horsepower for the motor is a good question. I don't know that off the top of my head.
I think it's somewhere around 75 horsepower.
Yeah, I know it's an electric motor. I would be lying to you if I said it is a certain number. So.
Well, it sounds like you're going to have to go downstairs at dinner time and go get those numbers.
Oh.
Oh my
God. Just got a homework assignment.
Jesus.
We're spicy this shit.
Yeah, Danny is
I'll see you guys. I'll be back shortly. Just call my name. I will get answers.
Danny's we'll see you on Winch TV.
Well, while you're down there, you
can
you can get to painting the winch.
Get down there and read the nameplate.
Well, you know, just a quick little pit stop while you're down there.
You might actually see one of the numbers on the wraps from when we put it on. So
wow, a number.
I know.
Look how clean the cable looks.
I was gonna say, look at that cable. It looks brand new.
Hey, Mike, and while you're down there, you might as well perform that mic drop.
Oh my. I would not want to see a mic drop in the winch room.
Yeah, that's true.
That would be really bad.
We don't want a mic drop to occur.
Yeah.
I'm like, are you overheating? What happened?
If you see me fall away from the left-hand side of the screen, then that was a true mic drop.
Well, there is a giant hole in the deck, so...
There is now a big giant hole in the deck. This is essential for the repair work.
How much longer until we reach that good old seafloor?
That's the only
33 minutes.
question I get.
Huh?
About 33 minutes.
We have to make them kind of sparse, you know? Sprinkle
You
them
want
in.
more
We
winch
can't have too
questions?
much winch. We can't have a concentration of winch questions.
I mean,
it's too powerful.
We heard from the
There's too
people
much.
that they were here for they loved the banter, but we're here for the winch.
Wait.
That was.
I did say that once, did I?
You did. I remember. My time to shine.
Time to shine.
Mike unmutes.
Goodness. All right, shall we do our intros maybe?
Let's do it.
Let's do that.
Let's do it.
Let's do that.
I love it when we do this because I get to press so many buttons.
Buttons. All right, hi everybody watching. I am Brittany, Lead Science Communication Fellow for NA174 from the California Science Center in Los Angeles. I work there as an educator and super excited to be here. Very sad that it's coming to an end, but we still have hours and hours of exploration ahead of us, so we'll get to that later. So nice to see you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Fanny. I'm one of the co-lead scientists on this expedition. I'm a marine deep sea biologist, and when I'm not on the ship, I am an assistant professor at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. And this is my 3rd expedition on the EV Nautilus.
Hi everyone, I'm Keone Katul. I'm one of the crew members here from the Marshall Islands. I work with the Marshall Islands Conservation Society as a coral reef monitor. This is my first time on the EV Nautilus, exploring our homeland, and as I always say, very humbled to be here with such an amazing crew, and I look forward to our last dive together. Unfortunately, our last dive together. It's surreal, for sure.
Yeah.
Very well put. Hello, my name is Hayden Niles. I am the ocean science intern for the 4 to 8 watch, and this is my first time on EV Nautilus. I'm originally from South Dakota, Wabe in particular, but I go to the University of Hawaii at Hilo as a marine science student. And yeah, I think this dive I'm very excited for. I think it's like, since we're going so deep, I think there's a lot of opportunity, and that's exciting. And, you know, I'm going to make the most of this last dive, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Make the most of it.
I like that.
Oofta.
Oofta.
Oofta. Oh, yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Isabella Monaco. I am one of the ROV navigators and also seafloor mapper on this expedition. I've been doing the contract stuff for about 2 years now, so this is my 6th expedition on the Nautilus. Yeah, and I live in Colorado when I'm not sailing out here.
Hi everyone, Danny Hinshaw, ROV pilot for this watch. It's been a great trip and pleasure sailing with you all. And you guys back home, you know, watching us and seeing what we're doing. It's if you have any questions, you know, ask the chat. This is my first year doing this full time, and it's been an awesome cruise with you guys.
Here, here.
Same to you.
Here, here.
Second to all of that.
Snaps.
Hi everyone, I am Mike Burns. I am the ROV co-pilot for this watch, as well as winch person extraordinaire. I'm an independent contractor. I've been sailing with Nautilus now for going on 3 years, and also sail on other ships as well. Currently residing in California, but from the islands originally. So, and yeah, I want to actually give a huge shout out to my mom who's watching and listening right now.
Hey.
Shout out Mike's mom.
Shout out Mike's mom.
Hi, Mike's mom.
I know. She's watching over the dog, so yeah.
Oh, sweet.
But yeah, and echoed what Danny said. It's been an amazing cruise and amazing watch with you, everyone here. So, yay! Whoop whoop.
Hi everybody, I'm Kelsey. I'm the video engineer intern for this bout of exploration. I come from Anchorage, Alaska, and I am normally a contract camera operator back home. And yeah, just so stoked to be here for sure. It's been a really fun opportunity. And truly, I have loved this watch. Everybody's so silly and fun and knowledgeable. It's like the best combo of like silly science. I don't know. It's really, it's so good. It's like you learn so much more when you're having fun with it. And it's been really cool. So thanks everybody for being so great and good educators. It's been really awesome.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers for sure.
Cheers.
And shout out to Amber for being such a great mentor. This whole
Amber.
trip.
Shout out Amber.
Shout out Amber.
Shout out Amber.
While we're doing some shout outs, my friend Jamil is watching. Hello, Jamil.
Shout out Jamil.
Hello,
Hello,
And
Jamil.
Simon. Oh, so amazing to have folks that we love joining us on our expedition and our exploration. So
definitely.
So fun. Anyone else? Shout
I
outs?
was just saying, also to the person who asked the winch question about horsepower, Danny was able to grab it. It's 100 horsepower.
100 horsepower.
Wow.
That's a lot of horses.
It's got moves. It's got moves.
Sorry, we were just talking about this, Fanny. Me and Fanny were talking about how no matter what the situation is, we just can't help but laugh with you as soon as you
your
laugh.
laugh is so
man.
contagious.
Very.
Doesn't matter what the original joke was, or if there was even a joke, it doesn't matter.
Well, I'm just picturing the horses, man. And I don't know why I laughed at it, but I did.
Because it was funny, that's why.
It was. A lot of horses.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Why can't we see any of them?
Yeah,
Where are they?
At the bottom of the vessel.
They're miniature horses, and they go inside a cylinder.
We
They
need a
feed
horse
them
drop.
electricity.
Are they all named
Squared
like
horses.
the same name, or do you have them like? Can you identify them?
You know, if I give away all my secrets, then
They're all named Mike.
Those are the minions. Those are the Mike minions. Mike is their leader.
Oh, man.
Oh,
He's like crew, but for Nautilus.
I don't know if that's a good thing. I'll take it though. I'll take it.
Oh god, the people at home, I swear there's nothing in the water. We're all sober.
Danny's drinking coffee. We're having a good time.
It's that infinite
We're
juice.
getting caffeinated.
Also, apparently my mother is watching, so hello, Mom.
Shout out Brittany's mom.
Shout out
And
Brittany's mom.
Hi,
maybe my
Moms.
dad too, I'm not sure, but
Hi, Brittany's parents.
Yeah.
Hi to all moms watching.
yeah, they're about to go on a
Yeah.
cruise in the Bahamas, and I'm like, all right. So yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
They sent you on a boat? Whoa.
We're just we're a boat family, a ship family. You know?
Is there a reason for the cruise?
I'm not sure.
It's a little
but
vacation.
I mean, yeah, something. I
Gotta
mean,
keep-
I don't think it's a bad thing being on a ship in the Bahamas, personally.
Not at all. Gotta treat yourself sometimes, right?
You can't complain there.
I'm not sure, but I think my aunt is watching.
Shout out Danny's aunt.
Shout out. Yeah.
If you don't want to hear any more shout-outs, you can ask us questions.
Yeah.
And then we'll stay on a certain kind of topic. We'll try.
Oh, boy.
We'll try to be professional.
We'll try.
We're still missing some answers for the first fish that we're going to see.
First fish. Oh,
Yeah.
that's tough.
Mike, Danny, you guys got any answer?
A blue one?
This is not Dr. Seuss, okay?
Oh, my.
We might be seeing a rat tail.
Rat tail. All right.
I don't see you naming a fish.
If I was put in my normal guess, it would just be megalodon. We all know this is going to happen. But I would say probably a chimera.
Oh, that's a good one. I was literally
that'd be really
thinking
cool.
that. Are you reading my mind?
Are we going through the thermocline?
Well, we might be going through the thermocline, which in case we would be seeing megalodon.
Oh.
It is
Are we going to put a hole in the thermocline?
I
And
mean,
then-
if it follows us.
Back to Madro.
Hangs out at the pier.
Bringing a
Cannot
gift
stress
with
enough.
us.
Right? Surprise,
The movie
guys.
The Meg is science fiction, and very heavy on the fiction.
Yes.
I've never even heard of it.
The Meg?
Yeah.
You've never seen The Meg?
I haven't even heard of it.
What?
I'm with you.
Is it like a megalodon-based movie?
Oh my
Oh,
gosh,
yeah.
I am shocked.
Yeah. And
I've
it's
seen
really
Jaws.
It,
What's
I
is that
have
not
not
enough?
seen Jaws
no,
either.
The Meg is it's Jason Statham. That just tell you what kind of movie it is.
Whoa.
It's like super actiony,
Oh.
heavily dramatized.
Yeah, a movie about megalodon.
Yeah.
I imagine that we can't keep it in the sphere of science.
And how the megalodons are attack the humans, and
Live
they
in the
punched
deep
a hole in
sea.
the thermocline, and the megalodon escaped, and
They punched a hole in the That's very sciencey.
super science.
Wormhole travel.
Yeah, I saw some clips and I was like, maybe a little too dramatic, not for me.
Well, I highly recommend you watch it, but just remember, it is fiction.
True. Very true.
I reject your reality and substitute one of my favorite quotes by one of the guys I grew up watching on TV, Adam Savage.
Can I do one last shout out?
Of course.
Yeah.
Wait. Yes.
Shout out to my wife who's in the airport right now. Sorry.
Shout
Shout out Mike's
Shout out Mike's
wife.
wife. Woo, woo.
In the
Rachel?
airport.
Yeah.
Hi, Rachel.
Rachel in the airport.
Rachel in the airport.
Yeah, this is her first time able to tune in this cruise, and she's like, "You guys are chaotic."
Sorry, Rachel.
Us at 4 in the morning, though, we're like lethargic. It's okay. Like, we just have to kind of like give best of both worlds.
Yeah.
Well, usually we're coming up at this time, and we're just tired of a dive.
It's true.
And right now we're excited for the new dive.
We're very
And
jazzed.
we're
Very.
going down, and we got about 22 minutes to go.
22
All
minutes.
right.
We're
That's a
almost
good amount of
there.
time.
22 minutes till we punch the hole in the thermocline.
The mill relief will be doing the final descent while we go and eat dinner.
Well, then we'll come in and get right to it.
Yeah.
It's going to be a good one, guys. I feel it.
Can't wait, can't wait.
I think I want to see lots of little colorful critters.
Yeah. I had a question come in a few minutes ago. This one I actually really like. If we didn't have to worry about qualifications, skills, or experiences, what job position would we want to have outside of the one that we're in right now? So like, for example, for me, I would probably love to be an astronaut.
Oh.
Whoa, I thought we meant in the van. Oh, like any job in the world?
Ever?
Question, okay, I'm going to read it word for word. Question for the watch members. If qualifications, skills, and experiences isn't an issue, what job position would one of you want to be in outside of yours right now? So I just read that like generally. But if you want to keep it in the van, we can do it that way. But
I mean,
it's going to sound
I
lame,
would
but
say astronaut as well because I like to fix things and I like to fly jets. So definitely astronaut.
That feels very like parallel to this.
But,
This is like our.
Well, hey, I mean, if you love what you do, then yeah, that's yeah.
Can we get like
Fanny, I think you were about to say.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah, I was going to say that I don't think I have any other job I want to do.
That's so great.
I know. I think
That's
I might be in my my dream role right now.
It is a pretty good dream role.
I mean, yeah, if I can't become an astronaut, what I'm doing right now is actually really amazing. So totally fine by me. But just I like that hypothetical question. Like,
Yeah.
what else?
I don't
would you do?
know if I really want to leave the atmosphere, leave the planet Earth.
What do you, Mike?
Okay, so it's hypothetical, right? So it can be, is it any time span or is it just this like within our life right now?
I don't know. Take it wherever you want to go.
Wow, yeah.
Anywhere?
Surprise us, Hayden. What do you want to be?
I would be an Apollo
I'd like,
astronaut.
okay, I know that this kind of correlates with this as well, but I'd like to be one of the first people to actually dig in and see Europa. Because Europa has that ocean, like the moon off Saturn. I think like being either one of the first people to go to a planet that is similar to the Earth, or go to Europa.
I'm seeing a pattern of astronauts.
Yeah,
right. I was about to
It's almost like
say.
we're on our like unexplored.
Definitely exploration based for sure.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, technically, we kind of are astronauts, but we're inner space astronauts.
Yeah.
Did you have an answer, Mike?
So I would say if astronaut is great, I would definitely pick that. It's close to doing this. I would also pick like one of those old-timey like wrecking ball crane drivers.
That is so you.
What an option.
Old wrecking ball crane drivers, or like
The
in all
dynamite
reality,
people just like.
if you ever want to see me just with a consistent like smile on my face, it's sailboat racing. So,
Demolition.
Boat racing?
no, sailboat. I mean, demolition sailboat racing would be scary, but I'd try it.
Would you
Try it.
I feel like you'd like a demolition derby.
Oh man!
So where I grew
Strap
up,
me in and let's go.
so funny story.
Yeah.
In the town I grew up in, we have once a year, we call them boat races. And you have these jalopy demolition derby style cars dragging a boat behind them. No trailer, but just dragging a boat behind them. And basically you just crash into each other. And it's a lot of fun because when you go around the corner and the boat takes you round and round, and it's just a whole bunch of fun, and you're just driving junk. There's so much fiberglass on the track. It is loud and just a good time.
Mike, have you ever heard of soapbox runs?
I have.
Wait, what is that?
You should build one, Mike.
You built one?
No, I did when I was a kid, but we should definitely build a Red Bull soapbox derby car.
Can you guys send us a clip of it? I'd be down to see that.
Give us what is that? You gotta give me some context.
You go on YouTube and look up Red Bull soapbox. Well, not right now, but so basically, you build these ridiculous, creative soapbox derby cars, and they race them down a track that have like jumps and all kinds of little obstacles, and you go and you try to make it to the end, and you get judged on how well you did, your top speed, and your creativity.
Okay. And creativity is in the construction of your...
In the construction of your soapbox.
Okay, what's your like dream? What do you want to build?
Ooh.
Let's build a Hercules.
Oh.
Hercules.
Oh. How cool would that be? A foam pack and like...
Well, yeah.
The craft manipulators.
Little, like,
The craft manipulators would just move opponents out of the way. I'm thinking almost like Mario Kart style.
It's totally aesthetic. It would just be a big box with someone sitting inside, and then the lights and the foam pack on top painted to look like a Hercules. I think that would look cool.
It'd be awesome. They also
wouldn't be very aerodynamic.
What is the one that Red Bull does where it's the homemade,
tug.
like, the airplanes
Yeah,
going
the blue
off?
tug.
Yeah, that would be another good one. I would, yeah.
Homemade airplanes launching off a ramp into a lake.
Into a lake.
Huh, what would I want to be?
That's a good question.
Yeah, that one got a lot out of us.
Oh,
and
yeah.
all of that to say, the person came back in the chat. They were like, actually, I just didn't mean the ship or the controller.
I'm sure you did, and I'm sure you did.
I was about to say, I'm going to be the next Ninja Warrior.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Do it.
That'd be awesome.
It sounds like a lot of work.
It is.
If you guys could participate in any random event, sport, etc., right?
Oh,
Not
man.
American Ninja Warrior, like a soapbox race, boxing, doesn't matter. What would it be?
I'm already doing the thing I like, and that's outrigger paddling. It's very fun. Very fun.
Aerobatic pilot.
Oh.
Whoa.
That's cool.
You know your niche, and you're in your lane.
Actually, now thinking about it, something that I would really love to do is work from one of these food channels where you travel the world and try food in different countries.
Oh,
that sounds amazing. Just
does sound
paid
really
to
cool.
do that.
Right?
I think that would be really
A
cool.
culinary
Food reviews.
judge.
Yeah,
Culinary,
there's a bunch of food shows like that where it's just trying food in different, not the weird ones where they try the horrible, disgusting food and the worst, we had a series like that in France where he's gonna try the most, the weirdest food in every country that he will go to. No, I want to try
The good food.
the good food.
The stinky cheese.
Well, that for sure.
Yeah.
But I don't know if anyone else other than French people eat the very stinky cheese.
Fanny, I love that answer.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bandwagon with you. That's really cool.
Should we answer their actual question, or are we just going past it?
Let me scan the chat real quick. We have we have a lot of content here.
Is the chat as chaotic as our conversation here?
I would say we're definitely more chaotic.
How many minutes? 15?
13.
13 minutes from the bottom.
We're getting there, guys.
And there was a legit question that was asked. All of these are legit, by the way. I didn't mean that. I mean it that way. But a question about the dive. So we are exploring a seamount that is 3,300 meters below the surface. So like I said before, this is actually the deepest dive that we've had so far on our expedition. And as Bella said a minute ago, we're going to reach that depth in about 12 or 13 minutes. And again, this is our final dive of NA174. So, yeah, the bummer is it is our final dive, but the cool part is it's our longest dive. So we will be here for about 24 hours. And it's not just going to be me and these people in the room. We do have watch shifts. So at 8 o'clock, that's when you're going to have the 8 to 12 crew take over, and then the 12 to 4, and then the 4 to 8 again. Yep. So if you haven't figured it out yet, we do have a chat available. If you would like to send us some questions, send us some comments, you're certainly welcome to do that. And I will try my best to stay on top of those questions and comments amidst our conversations.
That is a task and a half.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
Good luck.
Goodness gracious.
Thank you.
Brittany
Thank you.
realized what she was signing up for.
I'm having a great time. Truly, truly.
It's never a dull moment with this crew.
No, I know there was a comment that came in a while ago about like, oh, I'm really glad that everybody's personalities are coming out and whatnot. Yeah, because I remember the first like dive or two, I was like trying to get y'all to talk and it was just silence. And I'm like, oh.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Well, now we're sick of each other, you know.
Speak for yourself. I'm not sick of anybody.
Yeah, so I'm really glad that it seems like we have a really good, just good potion going on in this this watch. So I'm super happy to be here with all of you. Yep.
No,
Here, here.
Love all around.
There you go.
10 minutes.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We have 10 minutes until we reach bottom.
Please keep your hands and feet.
Please help us prepare the aircraft by putting your tray tables and seat backs into your upright and stowed positions.
When you guys land, can we do like a NASA standing ovation type of scenario?
We absolutely should. With a slow clap.
That was a good one.
Wait, I can do the camera behind us, so it's
Oh my
just
gosh,
like
yeah.
Everyone just stand up and
so
start
dramatic.
cheering.
I'm gonna want to video that. I always feel like whenever we finish a dive, it feels like everybody's like running out of the van, and like it feels like the "We Are the Champions" like
As we
playing in the
come up.
background, and I'm like stuck in here like finishing.
I do the
stuff.
same. I feel the same way.
Everyone's out there just like in the rain, just having a good time, and I'm like, oh man, where's everyone going?
I don't know. Yesterday I dunked my head in the bio box. It felt amazing.
Excuse me?
Head in the bio box, like the water?
I think I'm gonna do that for the last one.
Did
here.
you hold it, or for just a second?
No, just a quick little dunk.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, now I kind of want to do that.
You should.
It's
That's
very
like a
refreshing.
polar plunge.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Brr.
Jeez.
My brother would be happy to hear that. I took an ice shower yesterday. Dunked my head in 2-degree water.
I have a bit of a question about the bio box. Does it not fill with like other water? Is it kind of just seals, or it does not?
It does seal.
It seals.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. Wow, I didn't know that.
I
The
didn't
more
know
we
Water,
know.
the water that you like last took from the bottom, close it. It doesn't get like infiltrated by the rest.
Not really.
Oh,
Wow.
I kind of assumed the same thing, Bella. So that was.
I mean, we could do also a Niskin bottle, where you know dip your head underneath, and I'll pull the
Yeah, no more eDNA for those people.
Well, they always leave a little bit
I'm just
left.
gonna do an eDNA like.
But no, it was very refreshing to dip my head in a bio box.
Wow.
I'm sure.
I saw that they
Exhilarating.
did some people did like the hand dunk and.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
We were there for at least like 15 minutes with the hand in there.
It doesn't sound cold enough then.
It was cold. Yeah, it was cold.
Mental fortitude was just high.
Yes, it was.
The energy was there.
It's like those car competitions, like win this car by holding you on to the side of the car.
Oh yeah.
until
Do they
you
still
follow
do
the-
those?
And Mr. Beast
I
does.
think cars
Some
cost too
YouTuber.
much.
Oh,
I mean-
I agree.
That was back when you could buy a minivan for $15,000.
How long do you think you would last in one of those competitions?
I have-
Genuinely.
I would
3
be like
hours.
blue shiny and forget it what I'm doing and just like, oh, what's that? Oh.
I would start
Danny,
to
there
get
was
fidgety.
something. Oh, sorry.
go
There
ahead,
was
go ahead.
something you said, like when one of our very first dives, like about ADHD, like
How ADHD is a superpower?
or something.
Oh, yeah. I agree.
I mean, I'm looking at 25 screens in front of me, and I can't focus on one. I have to basically scan everything around me at all times. So ADHD is a superpower.
Yeah. Love it. I think about that often.
It's all in how you use it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
We have a running joke of you've got to be on the spectrum to be an ROV pilot.
Oh.
Hopefully I don't get canceled for that.
It's a colorful bunch.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Let's see. I want to say hi to my friend Debbie. Hi Debbie, thanks
Shout
for
out
tuning in.
Debbie.
Shout out Debbie. Yay, hi Debbie.
So my brother keeps telling me I need to start a podcast about my adventures
Ooh.
at sea.
Ooh, that would be fun.
That might be the start of your career right now.
I don't know. It might be fun. I don't know.
You do have like the good morning thing locked in.
Yeah.
You do.
Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to do that when I get on a different shift.
I feel like a podcast job would be like my nightmare occupation.
Why do you say that, Bella?
Occupation?
I don't nightmare. I don't know if it sounds like it makes a lot of sense for me. Like it doesn't. I don't know.
You could just talk about your life experiences and then like connect with other podcasters and do joint connections. I don't know. I did video game streaming for a couple years, and I was a Twitch streamer, and it was fun until it became a job. I'd work all day, and then I'd come home, and I'd have to work another couple hours, and it made the games not as fun as it used to be.
I can imagine.
Yeah.
All right, we have some more questions coming in.
Okay, we have 5 minutes to bottom, but we are doing meal relief.
Oh, we can't do our moon landing thing.
Oh, that was such a good idea.
We're getting relieved for our dinner right now, so you might be hearing some other voices coming in and out as
the whole thing just...
yeah, so about 5 minutes from bottom. It's also 5 minutes from dinner, so there's like a lot going on right now. We're getting questions in the chat, see if I can get to those before we land at the bottom. The room behind us, through the big window, that's a great question. You can't see it on the screen anymore because the camera view changed, but that is where we do ship-to-shore interactions. So that's something that I do as a science communication fellow. We basically join classrooms, museums, learning institutions, whatever, and we have a live ship-to-shore interaction, basically like a Q&A and just showing everybody all the awesome things we're doing on the expedition and whatnot. So we call that the studio.
Oh yeah, I was literally about to say it's like a little studio.
Yep. So that is what that room is behind us.
It's cool because when you're like getting talked, like the background is all these screens, so it looks like the NASA Space Center or something.
Yeah.
And then we start cheering.
Cool.
It's super, super cool.
Moon landing,
what else
guys,
do we
moon
have?
landing.
How can people sign up for those interactions?
Oh my gosh, Bella, let me tell you.
What'd you tell me?
Well, yeah, so you go to nautiluslive.org and you go to the education tab on our website. You scroll down to like the middle of the page, and then there's a section that says ship to shore. They're 100% free, no cost whatsoever, and they're 30-minute interactions. So usually it's with one science communication fellow and a scientist on board, or a video engineer, or a science intern. So yeah, usually there's two people that are doing the ship to shore interaction. So Keone and I did one last week.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was really amazing. So Keone was able to see
my people.
Yeah, a lot of people from that were in a convention or something from Majuro.
Yeah, it was a National Ocean Symposium.
Cool.
Yeah, it was really cool. And Keone's mom was in the room, and she was
Shout out my mama.
Oh, so cute.
Shout out Keone's mom.
So anyway, yeah, ship to shore interactions are absolutely available, and we'll be able to host those until the end of the expedition, or excuse me, until the end of the season. So even though the expedition is ending, we still have another expedition after this where ship to shores are absolutely available.
And they still have a whole day left to ask us about the marshals and our dives out here.
Yep.
One more day, guys. One more day.
All right, what is the nearest land where we are right now? That sounds like a Bella question to me.
Wait, I didn't hear it.
What is the nearest landmass to where we are right now?
It's a small atoll.
Keone, can you take
Yeah, I
that
got
one?
you. So we're just, south of Pigar, which is one of the two most northern atolls here in the Marshalls. Pretty sure they're the only, one of the very few atolls that are inhabited here in the Marshalls. So yeah, I mean, I've never been out here myself. It's pretty sick. I get to experience this with all you guys.
We mapped right next to an island.
Yeah, that's
early this morning, so about like 12 hours away, but I didn't know the name of that landmass.
should be Pigar.
I think you might be right.
Yep, it's just
I didn't want to
up
give
north.
false information.
I got you.
Thank you.
It's all about teamwork, guys.
Looks like we're about 1 minute from the bottom.
Whoa.
What's up, Ryan, Levi?
What's up?
Hello.
We are about to reach the bottom.
All right.
Welcome to the chaotic crew.
Rye, something else I think about constantly is when you said baby's first crinoid. I just... That was the funniest thing I've ever heard.
First swimming crinoid.
No, I love when I'm tuning in and Rye has like hoodie closed around their face. And it's just like, it makes me scared.
In the zone. All right, we should be reaching the bottom in a couple seconds. Oh.
Oh, I see it.
Here we go.
Amazing.
Hi, this is Annette here with the
I'm still
Multipuffer.
coming
Can
down
I
to
confirm
30.
the puffer power is on?
Yeah, multi-puffer power's on.
Well, thank you.
Look at this. Moon landing, guys.
Looks
Wow.
like you can go skiing.
And what's our depth?
3294.
Deepest.
Alright, I am coming all
Cool.
stop because I'm at 33. I'm actually going to come up a little bit. We're on quite a tight slope here.
It's a lot of rocks.
Oh, yeah.
Someone might be interested.
I wonder
A certain
who.
someone.
I wonder who.
I'm going to turn the Multipuffer on.
Sounds
pump
good.
0. So Hayden, we're only doing one pump at a time for
Okay.
this dive because it's a longer dive than usual. So we're going to
Gotcha.
be doing just one pump.
One pump
with-
per dive?
Yeah.
Sounds
And
good.
So
Can
turning
do.
on right now.
Well, I guess I shouldn't say one pump per dive, but
One pump per interval. So
Per
we're going to
interval,
have
yep.
13 intervals with one pump per interval.
sounds good.
Yep.
Alrighty, thank you.
And so that was 32, what? 32?
3294 was when it started.
Okay. So that's our deepest yet for the Multipuffer. So.
Mm-hmm.
And it's working as it should.
Good.
So Annette, would you say this is the deepest multi-puffer ever?
I think so. I think so.
Wow.
Yeah. Yep.
Look at us,
And
guys.
this is sample 238.
Correct. This is sample 238.
The only thing I want to check, we had an earlier version on the Deep Autonomous Profiler once, but I don't know that we actually sampled with it at the deeper depth. So I will have to check on that, but I think so.
I am so excited.
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo!
Yeah, it is kind of steep.
Wow.
Look at those lines.
That is crazy.
It's almost like erosion. That's weird.
It's very. We're gonna get into an area that should be pretty steep.
We're going to eventually be bearing 030
Awesome.
if that's how you guys want to configure. If you don't
Wow.
worry about it. Just do your thing.
I think Val saw the rocks.
You did?
It's like I want that one and that one and that one and that one.
Rocks.
I think we should be able to find. That should be manageable.
Maybe.
Ooh.
Wow,
I don't
these
know.
look
You
amazing.
have to. Oh, crinoid.
Oh, Baby's first
First
crying
things
out.
Baby's first card. I need that on a shirt.
Sorry. I would buy that. If you made that shirt, I'd buy that instantly. Baby's first cry noise. That's when I have a kid. That's what I'm gonna do. Instead of like one of those little like, you know, where they have like the moon and stuff, and it's like it hangs above the crib. It's just gonna be like a cry night.
Once you guys are
That's a good
settled, if
idea,
I could request a white balance, but no rush. If you are, I'm gonna